Just short of straw, I'm ballin'. 20 of the spies are calling. When we let it slide, is you cool?
Hey lovies, welcome back to another video. As y'all can see, I got my nails done. Yes, I did that. Listen, I couldn't continue to have my nails looking the way it was, okay? The fan is on. Let me just turn the fan off real quick. So as you guys know, we have started this positive quote routine where we say a positive quote before we start at each video. So today's positive quote is, what you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. And what you imagine, you create. And that's all that needs to be said. I don't need to say anything else about that. It's pretty straightforward. You guys just remember to stay positive and, you know, just keep going. Life is short, live it. Today we are cash stuffing $570, and this is from my passive income, which is my website. Yep, so we're stuffing $570 from the website into the binders, and today we are stuffing my wallet, my high priority binder, and my sinking funds binder, and these are the three binders we are stuffing today. So let us get the cash and get started. All right, y'all, so here's our cash. Let's count the cash and let's get the cash distributed into our acrylic container. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 4, 420. So this is 420. I'm gonna put that up. We have 430, 440, 460, 420, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that's 500. We have 5, 10, 20, 30, 5, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we are stuffing $570. So let us start with the wallet. I do want to say I was able to make $570 for the first 2 weeks of March on my website. And I want to thank you guys so much for the support, because you guys have been supporting me so much. I'm so grateful. I can't even explain or try to tell you guys how grateful I am for the support that you guys have been giving me. I do want to say the best way for you to make extra money is literally having a passive income. Like, try to start something else other than the money, other than the job that's bringing in the money for the bills. Try to start something else other than that job in order to make passive income, is what I can tell you, because I remember them days when I was sitting down just doing makeup and lashes and paying my bills, and that's pretty much all I could have done, and whatever left over was such a small amount that I couldn't even save nothing out of it, or I couldn't even, you know, it wasn't a good amount that's left. And I've decided to take on other paths, and I can't remember the last time that I've been broke, like $0. I can't remember that, because since March I've never been $0 broke, never. So the best thing I could tell you guys is do something, get a passive income. Are you passionate in something? You can start something you're passionate in, you know, just start something to get to make extra money, you know what I mean? Because baby, so here we are with our little mini girl, you know, this is our wallet, and we are going to stuff her today. So first we're gonna start with household. We're adding $20 to household. My boyfriend just bought some stuff like tissue, paper towels, bleach, laundry detergent. So I really don't think we'll need anything right now at this moment, but I'm just going to add $20 just in case anything wants to surprise us. Next, I have allowance. I'm going to add $80 to my allowance today. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80. So we have $80 to put in my allowance. If I use it, I use it. If I don't use it, it's gonna stay there. I'm gonna start doing this new thing, by the way. I want to mention this, so when I do it, you guys know. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of rolling over whatever left over in my wallet to my saving challenges or other places, I've decided that I'm now going to just keep them in there until I use them. I feel like it makes more sense for me. So what I'm going to start doing now is whatever I don't use in my wallet, when I come back to stuff it, I'll just say, for example, I normally keep $40 in gas and I use 20, you know, I'll put 20 to it. I'm going to just start keeping the amounts in there instead of taking them out and rolling them over. That's what I'm going to do moving forward, just in case you guys see me doing it. I don't want y'all to be confused or anything. So for eating out, we are adding $30 to eating out. As y'all realize, we're adding a little bit more. I'm going to be on the road a little bit more this month because I do have my part-time job at that med spa that I told you guys about. And just in case I'm there and I need something to eat, drink, whatever, I want to be able to have money to get that. So I'm adding a little bit more to eating out. For groceries, we are adding $40. It's the middle of the month. I do need a few things. Food stamps not coming in until June, the beginning of June. So I'm gonna put $40 because I want to go grab like breakfast stuff. I ran out of breakfast stuff for some reason. I don't know what happened, but I'm gonna need some breakfast stuff. So I'm gonna put $40 in groceries. And for gas, we are also going to add $40 to gas. So gas, 40. So like I said, y'all, I'm not gonna roll it over anymore. I'm just gonna keep it in there, and whatever I didn't use will roll over to the next week or the next 2 weeks, you know, kind of like that, instead of taking it out. So there goes my little mini baby. Mini girl is stuffed. This, I have to say, is one of my favorite wallets to binders to stuff. I'm not gonna lie, like, I like to watch all my money that I'm going to need to use in the future. I like to watch it pile up. So let's get into Christmas. For Christmas, we're adding $20, and that makes it $20, $40, $60, $80, $105. We have $105 in Christmas. Yes. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't think I need a lot of money for Christmas because I really don't be doing too much, and we do have a small apartment, and I already have my tree, my decoration, and whatever. So this, I think, is mostly probably gonna buy like Christmas dinner and like gifts. So I'm not gonna, I don't know, probably $300 is good in there. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know. So next, let's move on. For birthdays, we are adding $30 to birthdays. My boyfriend's birthday is coming up, and it's getting closer and closer by the minute. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 10. We have $120 in birthdays. $220, my bad. We have $220 in birthdays so far. Not bad, but I'm gonna try to keep stacking this as much as I can. His birthday is in July 1st, and the plans that he wants to do, I want to be able to do it because my boyfriend is not fussy, y'all. Like, he's really chill, and the fact that he literally wants such a low thing for his birthday, it's like I want to make it happen because he never really wants anything. Like, it's always been such a hassle for me to get him things for his birthday because every time I ask my boyfriend, boy, what you want for your birthday? Nothing. So the fact that he tells me this year, you know, it came out as like, babe, I want to do this for my birthday. I want to make it happen, if y'all know what I mean. So next I have my mom's. My mom's envelope is empty. Guess why? Her birthday was on Thursday. So her birthday came, I sent her a little change that I have in her wallet. So now we're going to re-up my mama wallet by adding $20 to her. Guys, her birthday came. I told her happy birthday. It was such a nice moment. I sent her some money, so I don't really know what she did. I don't really care what she did because it's her money, if you know what I mean. Car maintenance. For car maintenance, we are adding $10 to car maintenance. My car I just got my car back from the mechanic, so it shouldn't need a bunch of maintenance. So that's why I'm not really adding too much money to it. So we have 20, 30, 40, 45, $48 in car maintenance so far. Okay, we're building it. We have tolls. For tolls today we are adding $5 to tolls. So let's get $5 and we're making it $20 for the tolls. I really be home every day, y'all. I don't really go anywhere, like I continuously keep saying. So I don't need to stack tolls a whole bunch. I see a lot of people asking questions on other people's YouTube videos. They'll be like, how do you know how much money to put in each envelope? It all depends on you. You know what you use more. You know what you don't use more. You know, everybody's situation is going to be different. You kind of go by you. Like, what do you use more? What do you think? You think if I put $60 in my car maintenance, like, you should know. Do you have 2 cars? You know, situational. So it all depends. For Black Friday, we are adding $30. Black Friday is coming and I want to do some shopping for Black Friday. So I'm adding $30 to Black Friday and I made that $50. Still got a long way to go on $50. I mean, I'm trying to get to at least $400 in here for Black Friday. So I don't know, we'll see. Jay, that's my boyfriend Jonas. I'm putting $20 in there for him. I want to start doing stuff for him because I'm gonna tell y'all, my boyfriend do so much for me, y'all. Like, literally, like my boyfriend is always doing for me, and I feel like I want to do for him too. So being that I made a little extra money this month, what I did was I gave him money to get it. Like, I booked him a massage and it's with one of my clients. She's a masseuse. So I gave him the money to pay for the massage and to give her a little tip because I haven't done something for him in such a long time. I'm not gonna lie, like, I literally haven't done something for my boyfriend in a long time because I've been more on the lower side. You know, I was pregnant, I had a baby, all that. I wasn't really working as much money. So I wasn't able to do what I wanted to do for him. So the fact that my money's kind of upping now and I'm in a better position than I was, I want to start doing stuff for him again because he has done so much for me. So that's why I made him an envelope so that I could stack for him, and then at times, probably random times, I could get him gifts. I could book a hotel. You know, we could, you know, I want to do stuff for him too. I don't want him alone to be doing whatever. So I also added a new envelope to my sinking funds binder, and this is my brother. I don't know how I forgot, but I left my brother out and I remembered and I added him. So I'm gonna start, he's also in Jamaica, by the way, so I'm just gonna start putting away money for him too. That way I can send it to him in Jamaica. Whatever help I can for him, I'll do that. So I'm adding $20 to his envelope today. And there we go. That's it for sinking funds binder. Sinking funds is stuffed and we are moving on to high priority. We have some cash left to put in high priority, okay? So we gonna jump up into our high priority binder and let's see what we stuff in. These still got the old envelopes. Y'all see these? I'm yet to change out these envelopes to my other envelopes that I had. Alright, so high priority, we're starting with emergency. We're adding $50 to emergency. So let's head up into emergency and add $50. So in emergency we have $250 right now. Okay, let's add that in there. Next we are moving to our savings. So we do have a separate savings, different from our challenges. So you know, you want to try to have money everywhere. So with savings we are also adding $50 as well. So we have $250 in savings as well. So right now we have $500 in our high priority binder between savings and emergency. Next, we are heading to debt. We are also adding $50 to debt. So let's see, we have $10 right now. We're adding 50. So right now in debt, we have $60. I did use my Afterpay, so I want to pay it back. So that's why I'm starting to add back stuff. A lot more money in debt. So you see what I'm saying? Like, it's situational. It goes by what you're doing. You add that amount of money. You should know. For inventory restock, we're adding 45. Because, you know, we got to restock our inventory, okay? So we have 20, 30, 45. So we have 10, 20, 30, 45. We're adding 45 to restock. And for right now, for product restock, we have $20 sitting in there. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $65 to restock on anything that we need. Shipping packages, tape, whatever it is. And I want to mention, for my shipping expenses on my website, I do keep that money on my, there's a thing called balance on Shopify, where they transfer your money to when they're paying you out, and you could just transfer the money from balance to your bank account. What I do is I check my Shopify bill, because you know there's a bill, because when you're printing shipping labels and you have to purchase the shipping labels from the either USPS or UPS. So every time you make a purchase of a shipping label, it adds to your bill. Plus there's the Shopify bill that you got to pay monthly. So every time when I make my sales on my website, I check my bill, see how much money I owe, and I always try to leave like an extra $50 on top of that. That way, if any orders come in after that, you know, I have like money is there. If I, you know, I could just pay my bill. So on Shopify, on the balance right now, I think my bill is like 120 right now at the moment for all the shipping labels that I've purchased to ship you guys orders out to you. So I kind of just leave that amount in the balance. I don't pull that. I pull everything else other than that. So that's why there's not an envelope for website expenses or website bills, because I keep that on the card, the balance account. So next we have health. We are adding $10 to health. Why do I have, oh, I need to take that out. I don't need that. So for health right now we have 15. We're adding 10. So that makes it 25. And I do have health insurance. So that's why health is such a small amount. It's just if I have to pay any, you know, deductibles or whatever. And we're going to remove this because we don't need this. One day I put it in there. I don't know why. Alright, so that's it for our cash stuffing for today. We have stuffed high priority, sinking funds, and wallets with our $570 we have made from our website, and that feels great. If you guys want to start a budgeting channel, I would advise y'all to do that. Do not feel discouraged. If you want extra cash, you live in paycheck to paycheck, build you a passive income. Start to do something. Do you have a trade? Are you creative? There's Etsy. Y'all could start on Etsy. I did start on Etsy before I went to Shopify with my website. You can start on Etsy. You can sell stuff. If you have a talent, you could do hair, you could do makeup, you can do stuff like that. You know, passive income is good. Or if you just, you know, you could get a little part-time job, something that's not taking too much energy out of you. You know, you can do that as well. There's a lot of things that you can do that can, you know, like elevate you and bring more income in your pocket. And that's very, very important. You want to feel comfortable. You need to be in a comfortable space. You need to get done with a passive income, something to bring in extra money in your pocket. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys as always, and I will see you guys in the next one.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that